Hi everyone, for today's video, I'm going to show you on how we are going to post Instagram stories using our personal computer or our laptop. Let's get started. Firstly, we need to go ahead and log into our Instagram account. So once we are here on our account, what we can do then is to right click on the background of our screen. And once we are routed on this part, all we need to do then is to click inspect. And once this will appear on our screen, we need to click the mobile icon. Once done, we can go ahead and click dimensions, and we are going to choose any of the following. So just like for example, we will just set that one to iPhone 12 Pro. And once we click that, we can go ahead and click refresh. Once it is refreshed, we should see here your story on this part. So what we can do then is to click this. And basically, we can now add the image that we wish to be featured on our story. So just like for example, this one. And of course, we can add stickers. We can also add text as well. So if we wish to. And if everything is set, then we can go ahead and click add to your story. So at this point, the photo is now being uploaded. So we will just be waiting for this one to be completely uploaded. So basically, the story was already uploaded on our account. So there you have it. That's how we are going to post Instagram stories using our personal computer or our laptop. I hope this video is helpful. Until the next one.